What's going on, YouTube? We have a special game we're going to play today. I have a $20 bill right here.
Yeah.
What's going to happen is there is 10 Evolving Skies blister packs sitting in front of us. Sophia's going to pick 2. You want 3? 3. She's going to pick 3 to open, and if she gets an evolution, she's going to get this $20 bill. Does that sound like fun?
Yeah.
Let's do it. I am going to put this $20 bill right there. Alright, Sophia. Yeah, there's a lot of code cards over here. Here's some. We got a code card. We got a code card. And then one more code card. Alright, Sophia. Go on. Pick 3 packs.
Okay. So, I get this one for my dad.
Alrighty.
Look at that.
We're going to put that right here.
And I want get this
You
one.
think that one's going to be it?
And Mama.
Alrighty. We got 3 packs. We're going to clean those up. We're going to put this flat right there. Not calm down, calm down. Okay, we're going to open these. Sophia, I know how much you like putting your hands. Go ahead. Put your hands on the camera. Now, do you know the 8 Pokemon Eevee evolves into?
Here's the
Probably
back. Here's the
this
back.
guy for sure.
Oh,
We have
and that's the other people.
We have Vaporeon, Jolteon, Flareon, Umbreon, Espeon, Leafeon, Glaceon, Sylveon. Boom. There we go. 8 right there. Now, if you get any of those 8 Pokemon in these packs, you will get this $20 bill. Are you ready?
Ready.
Alright. Here we go. Watch your head. Watch your head, babe. Sit down real quick. And watch your feet over there too. Okay, let's see if we can do it. We have 3 packs, which is kind of fair.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a dark energy. And we have the power of the golden dark energy. Maybe you'll be lucky. Sophia, get your fingers out of the camera. I know. Here, have a dino.
I see something about.
You do? Oh, a Dream Ball. And a Sharpedo. We got 2 more packs, so don't worry. Don't worry.
I see something about.
Do you? I didn't even open the pack yet. Silly goose. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Guess the color. Guess the energy.
Pokemon.
Green. Oh, it's a blue.
And it's not terrifying.
A gold. Oh, yep, this is Sophia's YouTube channel.
Yeah.
We got Swablu, a Seedot, a Woobat, an Eevee. It's not an evolution. Gorgies. Oh! A Ludicolo holographic. That's pretty cool. You want this Eevee in a sleeve?
Yeah.
Okay. We will do that right after this, okay? But I'm putting the Eevee right off to the side. Alright, you practice putting the Eevee in the sleeve. Okay? Here, no. Oh, you want to show them your sleeves?
Yeah.
Sophia has My Little Pony sleeves.
And that's Rebel that guy.
Is it?
And that really left Rebel that. But she does that.
Okay. I have no idea if that's a green or a white code card, but let's hope the odds aren't in Sophia's favor. We got a Metal Energy. Treasure Energy. Ooh! That's what kind of energy I need right now. Palpitoad. Sableye. Nickit. Oh, I think I saw something back there. Good job, Sophia. The Bombi. Oh, and a Hydreigon.
And I want all of it so big.
Well, Sophia, we did not get any of the evolutions. But there's more chances for us to try in the future. Is that okay with you? We got 2 holographics. It's not terrible.
I'll be nasty.
Yep. Oh, look, dude, if you look, babe, if you look, there's Rayquaza. You know who Rayquaza is? Rayquaza is this guy. Yeah, who would have thought Rayquaza would be in that pack? That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Wow.
It will be.
Alright, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.